and let this feeling die.
You alone are the living thing that keeps me alive.
And
tomorrow if I'm here without your love, you know I can't survive. Only my love can raise you high above it all.
don't throw it out away, our love, don't throw it out away, your love, don't throw it out away, your love, don't throw it out away, your love.
We can take the darkness and make it full of light, but let your love flow back to me. How can you leave and let this feeling die?
This happy
Room will be the only place for you alone. And I won't even have your shoulders for crying on. No other woman's love could be as true. I'm begging you.
throw it out away, our love, don't throw it out away, your love, don't throw it out away, your love,
Don't throw
throw it out away, your love.
We changed the world, we made it ours to hold. But dreams are made for those who really try. This loss in you is real, but I still feel you here inside.
Don't throw it out away, your love, 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 don't throw it out away, your
Ano pwede, Jerry? Request kanya balong? Ano ko na na dita? Ano ko na na?
DJ pa request man through the years ngay sa ko ti watch 81 tak ano?
DJ ko na na?
Wan banana.
DJ Apo.
Para kasi mo through the years sagot ko ti watch 81 ta nag-reunion ti Kalman ti kinadume nga nanganak kasar ije na Alicia Isabela ay nagre-reunion da kano.
Nagre-reunion da so the theme
Ti kinaduda.
through the years batch 86 kat ko na na DJ ko na na sino deta nga nag-text naman.
Lourdes Pastor.
Bukas lang mo lang madi. Awagan na kat DJ po pagmulta deta nga nanay mo nga rod manang Lourdes through the years. Ken iti so amin na po agin inay hatag pinateg iti na pautan apanawan. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear you've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been the friend. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed. who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we've had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, everything went wrong. Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life all around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. And of course, para met kiniyaman ng Darlene, data kanila kayo nang agsal-celebrate iti talupulog at taluatawanan nga panagkat kalwa. Ayan. Good luck pa manang. Iti tatupay nga tawen ngayon kay panagdan na kanila kayo mo. And of course, very happy family dahil. Once again, from the 40 Duo, manipod kanya, kini ating mga Jun Sariales, Ken, to'y anak mo nga ni
John Mark Pastor.
We wish you a happy anniversary, manang Darlene. Kata, dahil ito'y pa'y isagot na kada kayong mag-asawa.
Grabe, hindi ko ata kaya to.
Kaya na, madwa may sa
Sige, testing natin.
testing. Ladies and
Sandali
gentlemen.
nga.
No, kuya, hindi po matama. Imunong ka, mamangag na kababain. Okay nga, Rod.
Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us, all the stars are watching.